Nuggets are almost always a kid's favorite, and you can easily make them at home with just a little effort. It's not only budget friendly, but it also keeps your kids happy and healthy. Hey LemonCone fam, as you know, we are all about bringing easy and quick recipes for the kids' lunch boxes, and this one is no exception. Today we are sharing 2 recipes. Let's get started. This is my personal favorite and brings back some childhood memories. Grab your chopper and toss in 2 to 3 slices of bread to make breadcrumbs. Add chicken cubes to the chopper along with your seasonings, garlic powder or fresh garlic paste, onion powder, dried parsley, paprika powder, chicken powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Finally, chop everything together. If the mixture feels a bit dry, just add a splash of milk to bring it together. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and let's prepare our breading station. First, make a slurry by mixing corn flour and water. In one bowl, we have to take all-purpose flour. In the second bowl, corn flour slurry. In third one, place your breadcrumbs. Grease your hands and shape the nuggets. Then press them flat and shape them however you like. Now coat the nuggets in dry flour. Then dip them into the corn flour slurry. And finally roll them in breadcrumbs. We made 20 nuggets today. If you want to store them for later, just lay them in a tray, freeze them, and once they're solid, transfer them into a Ziploc bag. Before we move on to another recipe, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our delicious recipes. Now on to our second recipe, stuffed chicken nuggets. This one's sure to be a hit with the kids and it's just as easy. Start by seasoning your chicken breast with salt, black pepper, paprika powder, and garlic powder. Massage the seasonings onto the both sides. Slice the chicken into cubes, starting with the thinner part, then cut each piece to half to make slightly larger cubes. Here's the fun part. Carefully out pocket in the middle of each cube. Gently open it up and fill the pocket with any cheese your kids love. Press the opening to make sure the cheese doesn't leak out during frying. Coat the chicken in all-purpose flour. Dip it into the corn flour slurry and then roll it into breadcrumbs. Once they're ready, pop them into the freezer for 15 minutes to firm up. Now it's time to fry both our crispy and stuffed nuggets. Heat oil on medium flame. You can check the temperature with a wooden skewer like we showed in our previous recipe. We give the link in description box. Start by adding the crispy nuggets to the oil and then stuff nuggets. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes before flipping. Fry them until golden brown, which takes around 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure the outside gets nice and crispy while the inside stays tender and cheesy. And there you have it, crispy golden chicken nuggets, 2 ways. The crispy and flavorful while the stuffed nuggets are a cheesy delight. Both are sure to become your kids' favorite and maybe even yours too. If you enjoyed this video, please show us some love by liking, sharing and leaving your feedback. Let's take a bite. Starting with crispy chicken nugget. Listen to that crunch, so tasty. Now try stuffed nugget, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The cheese is just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.